Welcome back to the second recipe of the soul food series. Today we're going to be making sweet honey cornbread. Let's go! For the first part, we're going to be mixing all of our dry ingredients. So our cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, and our all-purpose flour, baking soda, our baking powder, salt, and our sugar. And then we're gonna whisk it all together until it's combined. And for the next part, we're gonna mix all of our wet ingredients. So we're gonna have, what should we even start with? I think we're gonna start with our buttermilk. I don't like buttermilk. Never had it, but looks a little disgusting. But you know what? If you like buttermilk, that's totally okay. And then we're gonna add in. And then we're gonna add in 1 egg yolk. Melted butter. With a side of chunks. Sorry. Melted coconut oil. And of course our honey, which is gonna make it nice and sweet. And 2 eggs. Okay, and then we're gonna stir it, but don't stir it more than like it's needed, or else it will not taste good at all. So now we're gonna put our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and you're gonna stir it until like it's combined, but do not stir it more than it's supposed to be stirred, or else. Next, you're gonna get your 8x8 dish prepared. We used avocado oil and just sprayed it on the sides. And then you're gonna take your cornbread mix, put it inside and even it out. Make sure your oven is preheated to 450. And then you're gonna let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And make sure and check it at the 20-minute mark. And make sure on the last 5 to 10 minutes you're gonna cover it with foil. So let's put it in. The very last part of our cornbread recipe is to make the honey butter. Shout out to Divas Can Cook again. I mean, like, I'm so excited to eat this. For the honey butter, you need 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of salt, and you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of honey, and then we're gonna add a teaspoon of powdered sugar. And then we're gonna mix it all together, which will be a little hard if you don't have softened butter, but I'm just gonna power through. All right, then we're gonna take our honey butter and just spread it all over and just let it soak in into the glory. Ooh, closing up on that. Look at that shiny. Stay tuned for the next episode because we're gonna be making my dad's famous chicken wings. It's gonna be so good. And then stay tuned for the very last episode because that's when we're gonna be taste testing all of this wonderful glory, delicious food. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!